Direct access opened the door. Primary care training builds the house. A door without anything behind it is not a complete healthcare pathway. Access without preparedness is incomplete. And this is not meant as criticism of our profession. It's actually an invitation. We asked for the opportunity to become first contact providers. Now, we must develop the clinical infrastructure necessary to fulfill that role responsibly. When a patient reaches us first, our responsibility changes. The traditional question many physical therapists have been trained to ask is, can I treat this patient? And that is not a bad question, right? But it is no longer a complete question. The better question is, what does this patient need now? That question is larger than just PT treatment. Depending on the patient, the answer may be one of 5 things: treat, test, refer, escalate, or coordinate. So let's look at each one. The patient may need to be treated because the clinical presentation is appropriate for physical therapy management. Or the patient may need to be tested because additional diagnostic information is necessary before the clinical direction becomes clear. Or the patient may need to be referred because another healthcare professional's expertise is required. Patient may need to be escalated because the timing, urgency, or complexity of the situation has changed. And the patient may need care to be coordinated so that the different parts of the healthcare system are working together rather than leaving the patient to navigate everything alone. Primary care PT does not mean that the physical therapist personally provides every service. It does not even mean that we treat every condition. It means that we possess the judgment necessary to determine the right next step. And that is a very different level of responsibility. Sometimes the appropriate answer will be a physical therapy treatment plan. Sometimes the appropriate answer will be a diagnostic testing like an EMG, MSK, ultrasound. Sometimes it will be communication with the patient's physician. Sometimes it will be a referral to a different specialist. And occasionally, it may be a much more urgent escalation. So, clinical authority does not come from keeping every patient in your practice. It comes from making the right decision for every patient who enters your practice. And that distinction is important. There can be a subconscious tendency in healthcare to place patients into the service that we provide alone. A therapist sees a patient and looks for a treatment plan. Or a surgeon sees a patient and may look for a surgical solution. A diagnostic provider may look for a test. But primary care thinking begins before any of those decisions. It begins with the patient's actual needs. The primary care question is not, how do I fit this patient into my service? The primary care question is, which service or which combination of services will help this patient move forward safely and effectively? That is why first contact must equal first responsibility. It does not mean carrying the entire healthcare system on your shoulders. It means accepting responsibility for the clinical decision that directs the patient towards the next appropriate step.